Hello, hello. Happy Thursday. So I have got an unboxing. So excited to show you what my customers are buying, what I have got, some of what's coming, so some futuristic, future stuff. So I'm excited to be able to share you with that. So if you are interested in any of that, I have Mother's Day. Oh my gosh. It's just going to be a blast. So let's get to unboxing. Real quick, if you haven't been with me, I am Margie. I am a Avon ambassador and leader. So if you would like to shop with me, down below are all of my information. 60 is always free every day for shipping. But today being Thursday, we have a shop and learn this afternoon. So at 3 p.m. Eastern time, and jump over to my site and just click on Discover down to Shop and Learn, and you will find it right there. You'll be able to watch the show, see the products that they are offering for free, in with those offers described, and you can get those today and tomorrow. So the um, 17th and 18th if you are shopping with me. Otherwise, yeah, like I said, 60. If you are local, I am unboxing and I am getting your orders bagged and ready today. So as soon as I get done with this, I am going to be hot on bagging and calling you, let you know your order's ready. So let's jump in real quick. The first thing was most exciting for me anyway was the Mother's Day offer on the bag. OMG, the bag is here. I absolutely love the bag. So it's got the leather-like handles, um, and bottom, which I love because I was worried about with the white, the bottom getting dirty. So I love that the leather like is on the bottom. So it's really good construction. We'll be going into another short one on this, but just wanted to let you know that it is here. Has a magnetic opening, a zipper opening, a zipper compartment, and just a open compartment, and then just the tote. So absolutely beautiful. Absolutely, this is still available as far as I know. So look at the detail. This is kind of a canvas, and then it is painted on there. Look how beautiful. Absolutely love the bag. I'm gonna set it right over there. And you also in that bundle, when you get the bag, you get the a new Ultimate Day Cream. So it has your SPF 25 in it, plus covers all of those, the normal wrinkle, slight wrinkles, aging. It takes care of all of it in one. So the Ultimate is an all-in-one plus SPF 25, and you're going to get the Faraway Bali, which, oh my gosh, if you guys are a Faraway fan, Bali was a great one. It was a destination, but so beloved that it became part of the permanent collection, as of date. So it's been, I think this was 2 years ago, if I was right. And yeah, so it's been with us. The Bali has been absolutely something that everybody has enjoyed. Big this time, we were in Morocco. So I have to say, I have two customers that ordered the peach um, top with the embroidery. OMG, it is so pretty, so lightweight. I can't wait to get their feedback on it. But yeah, this is definitely it's from Studio 1886, as you can see collection, and so lightweight, and it's just going to be a beautiful piece with all of that embroidery going on. So that was hot. Sold another pair of the slacks with the slit down the front. That was huge. And needless to say, um, with our sale on fragrance. We had a ton of fragrance. This is just a couple fragrances being sold. This was the Rare Pearls and the Haku reflect. This is the reflection is blue. This is the Kyoto flower. So love the Haku line. She did get the reflection too. So I was thinking that I've got far away in there. I've got regular Haku. A fragrance was a big thing this time. Along with Bubble Bath was on sale. It was really hard to find not to find something that was not on sale this time, right? So let's do real quick. I'm trying to keep these a little shorter so that you guys can get on with your day. So jumping into real quick, let's jump two campaigns ahead because this next Wednesday, we're starting our up to 65% off makeup sale. There will be some new fashion and jewelry for spring, but other than that, we're kind of focusing on makeup. So two campaigns. We're going to be going to the sea. So we have, oh, of course, there's scissors. Here's the scissors. I got scissors nearby. They they put a sticky tab on here for me to open this. So let me open this. So we have coming a limited edition set, and it is body scrubs and bubble baths. See if I can, there we go. See if we can get that tape off there. Okay, so it does come with the one of those sealed circles on it. And this one is the Aqua Breeze. I was very curious to see so very a good sized jar body scrub, Aqua Breeze. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, of course, it's got another. These are very well sealed, so we do appreciate that. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, it's white. For some reason I thought it would, why did I think it would be blue? I guess because of oh, ooh, that immediately popped out at me. So it is, what am I smelling? It's kind of clean. So I guess the ocean, yeah, the outdoors, the ocean would be very clean. Let me see, guys. I am the worst at most of the time I can get it, but I am the worst at what? So gently exfoliating scrub transforms foaming lather that helps soften and refresh. It leaves skin delightful. Breezy seaside inspired fragrance, mandarin zest, bergamot peel, lotus flower, and driftwood. So I'm really getting that light and breezy. I mean, it's not overpowering, that there's enough of it there. It really is just and I guess that mandarin zest, just a little bit of that. This one I think you guys will like. I just keep thinking just clean and beachy and just outdoors. So I think this one's going to be a nice winner. Oh, you guys might want to see what I was smelling. It's white. So um I will yeah, definitely excited about that one. Set it down. So it does come with a matching bubble bath. So you'll be able to get the Aqua Breeze and the bubble bath. These are limited edition. So I guess here over when they're gone, they're gone. But I'm sure they'll stick around for the summer. And then the other one I wanted to try, we have a strawberry. Oh, I should probably put the lid on that. That's probably not a good thing to leave that without a lid. We also have strawberry. It's a strawberry drink. And I've been hearing it's just, a good strawberry scent. And there is also a coconut, which to me sounds like it's going to be, for any of you that just love like our coconut scents. I believe it's going to be like that. So those two, I thought they were going to be pretty straightforward on what they smelled like. I tried to get the two that, um, weren't going to be so obvious so that we could see together. Now, this one is, oh, I better not get rid of the box just in case I can't remember. I can't tell what it smells like. This one is caramel soul. So we've got that pretty beautiful. And let's see what it smells like. Put the lid down somewhere. And of course, we're opening it again because we're just doing this. Sometimes it's nice to have these pre-opened, but they seem to be opening pretty easily. They have little tabs, so at least it gives you something to grab onto. Although I think I got a little bit of the soap off the last one, and now this one's there. It's coming up. Okay, so again, we're going with a natural white scrub. Ooh, I can smell. Now, see, I'm getting the coconut first on this one. I think it has coconut in it. Well, the English side would be preferable. Um, Caramel vanilla, embraced by musk, almond, and a sip of almond and coconut milk, and a zesty mandarin twist. Now, see, I'm not getting the mandarin. I am really getting the vanilla and the coconut and the almond on this one. And this one, I think, is a gentler smell than the Aqua Breeze. It's just a little bit softer. But yeah, I'm really getting the coconut and the coconut almond kind of thing. So it'd be interesting to see what you guys get. And just so I can, okay, so it is a fluffy texture. We'll go into it for just a second. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Fluffy texture. You're gonna, oh yeah, and you can feel the scrub right as soon as you start putting it on. It's not overly abrasive. And is it a sugar scrub? Gentle exfoliating scrub. I thought I saw somewhere. We'll have to look at it. But yeah, I love this. This is going to be a great body scrub. Now I put it on dry skin. It's going to foam up more when you put it on wet skin. But yeah, oh, it smells so good. I put it on my nose. That smells so good. So again, you get the matching. You are going to have the ability on the opening campaign to buy these as a set for a special price. And then I believe after that, we're just going to go into regular pricing. Just our bubble baths, regular pricing, $12.99. And I don't remember how much the scrubs are. So, but a good scrub is always nice, especially in the summertime to keep that glow going on and you're showing your legs off. That smells so good. So that's coming. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm glad I got to take you not only from Morocco, but then to the beach. So we are traveling here at Avon, and I am glad to be able to take you on the ride. So if you have any questions, type below. Go to my website, the e-store. You can ask me questions there too. I am always available to answer questions. Yeah, so can't wait to catch you guys on the next one, which will be the new campaign. Bye, guys.